set aside hii ingine tumepewa.
Na mzozo kati ya wenyeji wa Kiromboko karibu na bwawa la Kiambere na wachimbaji mchanga eneo hilo unaendelea kutokota kuhusiana na namna shughuli hiyo inapaswa kuendeshwa. Wenyeji wanasema wametengwa na hawajakuwa wakinufaika kiuchumi kutokana na shughuli hiyo inayonuia kuhakikisha bwawa hilo linaloondolewa mchanga unaozuia manufaa yake.
Let me say that today I have received calls from several residents from Kiomo Kiedhani Ward in Mwingi West constituency lamenting on the issues of sand harvesting, which was not properly, or rather the procedures were not properly followed. And I would like to reiterate that our stand is very clear. We need public participation to happen. When we are doing that, we have got also several demands listed upon us, which needs to be done to ensure there is smooth process of sand harvesting. Number 3, which is very critical, we need to know how the revenue allocation, revenue distribution and revenue collection is going to be done. So at the moment, as it stands, illegal sand harvesting is still happening. And let me warn these people who are carrying it out. I am a member of parliament. I am immovable. I am unshakable. And I don't care who is authorizing it until proper procedure is laid down and the interest of common, or rather on